Oh yeah, you guys did a great job moving. Now, your husband said, who referred me to you?
Our cleaning
Your
people.
cleaning people. Okay, you remember what's the name of the company?
We've only used them once. They were here last week.
Was it Absolute? Two ladies?
Yes.
Yeah. Tiffany and
That sounds right.
Alicia.
Yeah, sounds
Yeah, that's
right.
them. Yep. All righty. Well, thank you, Tiffany and Alicia. Okay. All right, so I can turn the light on.
And then we have one more room down here.
Okay, so we got one, the hallway, stairs. All right, no spots, no stains. Okay.
And then you're going to come down here.
Okay.
And then it's going to be the office.
Okay.
And if you can clean that rug,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would greatly appreciate
So we just
that.
so what I do after I clean the
Okay.
room, I just roll the rug out. Okay.
Works for me.
All right, and then this room right here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
This is the one where you'll find stains.
All righty.
Because this is where our grandson plays.
All right, guys. I'm cleaning this carpet down here. It's coming out amazing. Wow. All right, guys, I am done. Just called my last job, let them know I'm about to be headed that way. Carpets came out amazing. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful job. All right, so we got the pool table room, which had a very bad high traffic area. And we got the sit-in living room. Got this hallway. Also, this is the room that you guys see me cleaning down here. It's a pretty spacious house, I will say that. This room came out great. Also the office. And so I'm about to head to my third and last job of the day. Oh man, the phone has been blowing up today. Just some of those days, man, like the phone just rings non-stop. I've probably booked 7 appointments and 2 estimates already today. And the masters, and again, I'm going to refer them to my guy that stretches carpets. Get these carpets stretched if they want to get it done. This room, beautiful. And this room. All right, guys. Courtney, Truman Steemers. That's going to do it. Thank you again for watching. Time to hit to job number 3. See you guys in the next one.